Hey there, happy morning junior kids. Once again, I am here with your EVS class. Okay, so this EVS class, we are learning about air, water and air. Okay, so this whole month we are going to learn about the concept of water and air, and we have seen that what is an air and what are the objects that works with air, and then we've seen that even air also needs space. Okay, so today we are going to learn about another topic, that is air and its form. Air and its form. Okay, but before going to the class, we are going to sing the air rhyme. I'm all around you, see. Kids, did you practice that rhyme? I believe that you had did that. Okay, so if not, then today we'll do it one more time. You won't join with me. Okay, shall we sing the rhyme? Okay, I am all around you, see. I am all around you, see. Invisible the white bee, invisible the white bee. Many gases mixed you for me, many gases mixed you for me. Guess who I am? I am air, so free. Okay, so this is air rhyme. So children, sing this rhyme and take the video, send it in group. Okay, as I said that today we are going to learn air and its form. For understanding this concept much better, we are going to do an activity. Kids, now I am going to turn on the fan. Let's see what are the objects flies. As you could see, that balloon has already fallen down due to the air. Okay, so let's see, the cotton is going away. Then crepe paper. Then what are the object goes? Feathers. See, feathers, ribbons are all moving due to the air. Okay, look at that. Satin ribbon is all moving from the place. See, feather is also moving. Satin ribbon is also moving. But you could see that sharpener is not at all moving. Lock is not at all moving. The toy is not at all moving. So kids, I had shown you how some things were moved. Okay, have you noticed what are the things that did you see moving? What are the things were moving? That was balloon, ribbon, satin ribbon, cotton, feather, dried leaves. All were moving from place to place. But what are the things that didn't move? Lock, sharpener, toy. Okay, they all didn't move. Even the gum bottle also didn't move. So, why do you think they can't move in the air? Do you know the reason? That's because they are heavy. Okay, that's why they didn't move. So, what kind of things move easily in the air? The light objects or the light things will easily move in the air. Okay, is the air moving? Have you seen the air moving here and there? Yes. Can you see the air moving? Okay, now we are going to see the forms of air. Okay, wind. It is the wind that helps the object or the things move. Okay, so we had seen some objects that were moving. No, so that is with the help of wind. So what is wind? Wind is air in motion. Air moves. We couldn't see the wind, so air moves. So moving air is called wind. That is one form of air. So today I have taught you that. Today we are going to learn about air and its form. So first form is wind. When the air moves, no, when the air is in motion, then it is called wind. The wind blows, helps move the lighter objects. So very lighter objects will travel a long distance than the heavier object. Okay, when the wind blows very faster, you could see that some small lightweight object will also move along with the wind. Okay, and we couldn't see the air moving. We couldn't see the air moving, but we could see that the leaves of the trees, the skies in the clouds in the sky, and after that the flags the flags and the sailing boat, they all move. Okay, it shows that the air is in motion. Okay, we couldn't see the air moving, but we could see the objects moving in the air. Okay, and that is called wind. So when the air blows faster, no, that is called wind. Another form is when the air blows gently, it is called breeze. When the air blows very gently, we like to have the gentle air, and that is called breeze. So these are the two forms of air. One is wind, another one is breeze. Okay, so these are the two forms of air. So kids, today in ABS class we have learned the forms of air. The first one is wind, another one is breeze. So these are the forms of air. So until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Ranji saying bye and take care of yourself.